Hi, so on this lesson, we'll talk about thresholds and targets. So you will see on the lower right where percent complete is squared up by the orange box, right? So you will find there that it's representing different colors, right? Depending on the status, right? So out of the box, you could fully manage, right? Its representation, depending also on the data type, right? So um, on the previous video, so what we did, we added a field of percent complete, right? And make sure it's there, but it has its dependent values as well to make sure you're representing the correct information. So those attributes needs to be configured, and from there you will see as you configure it, as it progress, it will give this color coding, I would say, right? And as we scroll down, right, you will see here that the value against the date and the remaining work is that needs to be done. So it gives a lot of information, right, visually, and it gives you the advantage, right, to be able to visualize the status or the stage of what needs or what's left to be done by providing this visual representation. So as you can see, you drill down or come into the list, right? And on a high level, right, you will see the progress, right? And you could need to like notify someone or inform the manager if there's any disruption or interruption that is basically occurring on that particular time. So on this example you see here, we spoke about the values, right, and the visualization, and we also spoke about the attributes. So now you will see here that we are, if you are targeting the decimal, right here, which is target and type decimal, then that will be the attribute, right? So you'll see here, as you add attribute, then the name of the target field, then ServiceNow automatically recognizes, how the percent complete will basically behave, right? So on the next lesson, I'll be showing you a live demo on how to create thresholds and targets, and I'll see you there. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.